This is the Arcor Big Hammer test. Today, we are working on a rebuild. The product was cured and applied on a sandblasted steel plate. This product can sure take a hit. There's no delamination or cracking here. While the product is bending, there's almost no damage to it. There's even a shine to it, no scuffing whatsoever. Let's take it to the lab for further inspection. Prior to this large plate section, 30 sledgehammer hits went unrecorded. Take my word for it, it was pretty brutal. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching the Arcor Big Hammer test.